real photo from a real job will outperform perfect stock content almost every single time. Customers want proof, not perfection. Real photos and videos build trust instantly. Job site content shows authenticity and credibility. Before and after images outperform generic stock photos every time. Homeowners buy confidence. They want to see real projects, real technicians, and real results. A slightly imperfect real job photo creates more trust because it proves you actually do the work. There's before and afters, quick phone videos on the job, and customer walkthroughs to show your impact. Contrast that with perfect stock photos with no proof of real work. It just doesn't land. What kind of content are you posting most right now? Stock graphics or real job photos? Leave your answer in the comments below. I want to see what's working for you. Strong takeaway: trust is built through proof. If you want help creating content that generates more calls and booked jobs, visit digitalmarketingcoach.com to work with me directly. And grab my free content checklist for home service companies at digitalmarketingcoach.com.